Hi, in this video we are going to see the all over India PhD entrance test, and there is a PhD admission notification from one of the university guys, and it is a very good news to the PhD aspirants. Why? Because even though if you don't have any national eligibility test qualifications, with only post graduation, if you once selected here, then all the candidates admitted in the PhD full-time programs are eligible for the teaching assistantship after successfully completing of their coursework. Okay, so really it is a wonderful opportunity guys. Even though if you don't have the UG Senate or the CSIR net or else the DST, then you can get the fellowship from this university. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG Net preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is CTU PhD entrance test from Ludhiana, Punjab. So you may check down. First I will show you the important dates, and then what are the different subjects, okay, and then guidelines, and then teaching assistantship, okay, and then how to apply. So while coming to the important dates, last date for application is June 2nd, 2021, and the date of entrance examination is June 6, 2021, and the result of examination is June 9, 2021, and the interview date is on June 11, 2021. And the result of interview is June 11 itself, and the last date of depositing the registration fee June 19, and the last date of depositing the coursework or the semester fee June 30, 2021. Okay, so these are the important dates guys, and coming to the in which subjects as well as guidelines we will check. Okay, so general guidelines for admission in PhD program. So it is offering the PhD programs in the computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical, civil, computer applications, mathematics, management, commerce, economics, hospitality management, journalism and mass communication, psychology, history, English, law, physical education, pharmacy, biotechnology, zoology. Fine. So these are the different departments, and coming to the duration is 3 years, minimum duration, and the maximum duration is 6 years. And extension beyond the above limits will be governed as per the ordinance of the university guys. And coming to the procedure, university shall admit PhD students through 2 stages. One is the entrance test and second one is the subsequent interview will be there. And in the stage 1 entrance test, an entrance test shall be qualifying with qualifying marks as 50%. The syllabus of the entrance test consists of 50% of research methodology and 50% of the subject specific will be there. And coming to the stage 2 is the interview. So university organize an interview where the successful candidates in stage 1 are required to discuss their research interest area through a presentation before a duly constituted department research committee. And the interview shall also consider the following aspects: whether the candidate possesses the competence for the proposed research or not, and the research work can be suitably undertaken at the institution or college or not, and the proposed area of research can contribute to new or additional knowledge or not. Fine. And coming to the selection criteria, entrance as well as the interview and discipline or the program wise merit list will be prepared, and the candidate successful in the entrance test will be called for the interview, and the final selection for a PhD will be based upon the performance in the interview guys, subjecting to minimum scores. And coming to the minimum eligibility for attempting the written test is master's degree or a professional degree declared equivalent to the master's degree by the corresponding statutory body, with at least 55% of marks. Okay, so these are the eligibility criteria, and in the 55% of marks, 5% is relaxable to the SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer and differently abled candidates. And candidates who have cleared the MPhil coursework with at least 55% in marks aggregate or else equivalent grade B may be admitted provisionally to the PhD program. Okay, and yeah, these are the things. And exception for the entrance test, candidates who has qualified the UGC Net JRF or CSIR Net JRF or else ICAR or else a SLET for Punjab state only, GATE or GPAT or ICAR, or else holding the teacher fellowship are exempted from the entrance test. And the centers for the entrance test is CT University Ludhiana campus, and the coursework, a student is required to undertake a coursework for 1 term, attendance in the coursework, and exemption in the coursework is also available. Candidates already MPhil, holding the MPhil degree and admitted to PhD program, or who have already completed the coursework in MPhil have been permitted to proceed to the PhD in the integrated course, may be exempted by the department from the PhD coursework. Okay, and the candidates who have already completed the PhD coursework from other university also exempted, subject to approval from equivalence committee of the CT university. So these are the complete details and the guidelines regarding the what are the departments and what is the eligibility criteria and what is the selection criteria. All these things are mentioned here. And if you want to check the sample papers, regarding the previous year, or else how you will get the questions from the in the entrance test from the different subjects that you may check down. See guys, sample questions for the PhD, HM, physical education, computer application, and chemistry. All these things are given here. You may check down guys, and you will get the sample question papers here itself in the official website. Download sample papers. I will provide this PDF, this website link in the description box of this video, so that you can directly search out guys. And coming to the teaching assistantship, all candidates are admitted in PhD program, full-time program, are eligible for a teaching assistantship after successfully completing of their coursework, and the number of teaching assistantships is subjected to availability of seats within the concerned department or the school. Okay, so here the candidates who are selected for the full-time PhD without having any type of national eligibility test qualifications, if you once successfully completed your coursework, then you may be subjected to the teaching assistantship based upon the university rules as well as the available seats. Okay, if you are interested and eligible in all these things, then click on the apply for PhD here, and here the click here to apply online. So click on this one, and then you will be directed to the online application form guys. So in that form you have to fill up all the details. Okay, so here the instructions are given here. First you have to register yourself. After registering you will get some password or something else. Based upon that one you have to fill up the register yourself, OTP verification, and filling up of the online application form, pay the application fee, and then submit the application. Okay, so these are the procedure if you want to apply for this one. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity, nothing but getting the fellowship without having any type of national eligibility test. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.